Hello, fellow locksmith friends. Today, I will introduce how to use the Audi 5th generation BCM2 adapter to everyone. The KD-X4 will also be needed. Prepare a mobile phone. Prepare an OTG cable harness. Then these are two types of BCM2. One is the 3634 model. One is the 3635 model, because the connection method of the adapter is the same. So we will use one of the adapter to demonstrate how to connect it to everyone. Now let's take a look at what's inside the packaging box. Open. Okay. This is the 3635 adapter. Then these two are the adapter buckles. Okay. This is a backup needle for you all. If you accidentally break a needle, you can take it out and use it. Okay. This adapter is the 3634 one, because there are two types. So we have both of these types. They also come with matching buckles for the two adapter respectively. Okay. This cable is the one that connects the X4 and the adapter. Okay. These are the fixing posts. They're used to fix the adapter and the BCM2 module together. The items needed for securing them. Now let's give everyone a demonstration. How to connect this adapter. You can tell from the CPU chip that we are using a 3635 BCM2 module. So we need to select the corresponding adapter. This one is the 3630. So we need to use the 3635 adapter. You must choose the corresponding adapter. Otherwise, there will be issues. Okay, we'll use the 3635 adapter. So first, let's remove these two adapter buckles. Okay. Then, flip the BCM2 module over, and you'll see 3 holes on the outermost part. Now we need to use the positioning pins. Snap the positioning pins in to secure the adapter. Now let's start securing the adapter. The positioning pins have been installed. Now align the 3 holes on the adapter with the 3 positioning pins below. Once aligned, press it down. After pressing it down, continue installing the positioning pins. Okay, then tighten this part. Now let's snap the buckle into place. Note, one end of the buckle is long and the other is short. The short end is up and the long end is down. Installation is complete. Now the OTG cable harness has connected the phone and the KD-X4, then we'll need to use this connecting cable of ours. Connect the adapter and the X4 properly. After connecting them, tighten this screw. Tighten this side too. Okay? First, let's read the data of this 3635. IMMO programming. X4. Read file. Read Audi 5th generation BCM. Okay. Read. Okay. Okay. Start execution. Okay. 3635 is also called 3382, and this is normal. Then just wait for the data reading to complete. Reading completed. Okay. Then this module can be reinstalled into the vehicle.